Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to reduce the cursor size in PC. Updating your cursor size can make navigation much easier, whether you need better visibility for screen recording or just want to reduce size strength. So here is the most efficient way to do it through the control panel. For this you need to click on the search icon on the bottom of the screen and type control panel. And now hit the control panel. And in the top right side of the search bar you need to type hardware and sound, and then click on printer and device and printer. And here is your mouse. You need to right click on that and click on the mouse settings, and in the pointer tab you need to go to the scheme, and here you need to drop down and select the none, or you can select the Windows default system scheme. And now click apply and click OK. And now you can see that the cursor size has been reduced. There is another way. You need to click on this search icon and type mouse pointer, and you need to click on this change mouse pointer size. Click on that. So here you will see a slider under change pointer size. So drag the slider to the right side. You will see that the cursor is increasing, and when you move towards the left side the cursor size is decreasing. So this change happens instantly, so you can dragging once it reaches your preferred size. So it would be better to reduce the 1 or 2 size, which is the most efficient size. So if the cursor still feels heavy or slower after resizing, you can adjust the pointer speed. For this you need to click on the additional mouse settings, and here you can increase or decrease the mouse speed, but it could be better to use the default speed. So click close, and here with this way you can easily decrease the cursor size. So I hope now you understand how you can small the cursor size in PC. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.